Here we go again, as the headlines read, mass power cut in the Canary Islands. The Canary Islands is in darkness. Is it true? Well, my name's Mr. Travel On. I bring you the latest travel news, up to date and correct. I'm currently sat here in Lanzarote in the Canary Islands. You can see behind me there are plenty of lights and the power is on. There has been a power cut in La Palma. Now, La Palma, whilst one of the Canary Islands, is not as popular as a holiday destination as Lanzarote, Tenerife or Fuerteventura, although it does attract a lot of tourists. So how bad was this power cut? Well, you might remember this time a few days ago, there was a huge power cut in Spain that lasted over 10 hours. Now, that wasn't something that happens every day and really was newsworthy. However, a 2-hour power cut in the island of La Palma is suddenly making headlines in the mainstream media. Why? We all rely on power and sometimes the power goes down, but it seems that the mainstream media are hell-bent on upsetting you guys that are going on holiday. The last thing they want is you looking forward to a holiday, especially in the Canary Islands. I don't know what it is. I'm not sure if it's political or what, but they seem to have an issue with the Canary Islands. I mean, should the power go down here in Lanzarote for an hour? I am sure you'll see it in the Sun newspaper. The Sun News today, reporting blackouts in La Palma, actually used a video and a photo showing a metro. I'm pretty sure the last time I went to La Palma, there was no metros. In fact, there are no trains, metros, or anything like that on any of the Canary Islands. So do you need to worry about the headlines in the newspaper, not only about power cuts, but also about anti-tourism protests as well? The best thing to do is ignore what's in the headlines. Head over to this channel and I will keep you posted with the up-to-date correct information on the Canary Islands and anything else that's happening in the travel world. According to the headlines, La Palma hit by major power outage, which went off at 9:57 and came back on at 11:30. I mean, it's hardly a major power outage, is it? As I said, the big power cut in Spain is certainly something that was not normal and something that we should actually be considering and looking at and wondering what would happen if the power went down where we are for 10 hours plus. I mean, it does have a major effect on absolutely everything. So what can you do? Is it time to get yourself an emergency kit set up? Always keep yourself some cash, because we know that cash is king. And do you need to go and stockpile on toilet roll from the supermarket just yet? Well, I don't think so just yet, but it's certainly something to consider. But if you are coming to the Canary Islands, please do not worry. We have full power here. The lights are on, the internet is working, and the sun is shining. You've really got nothing to worry about. If you're going to continue to read the headlines and worry about your upcoming holiday, well, then you need to give your head a wobble. You need to be following Mr. Travel On, because I'll put your mind at rest, and your holiday is something you should be looking forward to. Don't let these horrible people that are printing horrible headlines ruin your excitement for coming away to the Canary Islands. Whether you're going to Tenerife, Gran Canaria, Fuerteventura or any of the other islands, drop us a line, let us know where you're going, and don't forget, if you need trips, tours and excursions, you know where to look. www.travelon.world. I'll keep you updated if the power goes down. In fact, I probably won't, because I won't be able to make a video. I'll do it from my phone. Hopefully the internet doesn't go down as well. Look, if anything changes, I'll be sure to let you know. Keep smiling, don't let them get you down, and I'll see you for more travel news very soon. Make sure to follow. See you later.